Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is full glam. We're talking bold smoky eyes, flawless full coverage, and a nude lip. Whether you're going to a party, wedding, or just want to feel like a queen, this transformation will give you that wow factor. Let's get started. I've already cleansed and moisturized, so now I'm applying an e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter to smooth out the skin and help the makeup to glow all night. This step is so important for a flawless base. Okay, this is not your average foundation. I've been using the Bnaturalbeauty Lumi Matte Foundation and the finish is unreal matte, but still natural and skin-like. I'm applying just a small amount, and look at that coverage. It instantly evens out my skin without feeling heavy. It's buildable, so whether you want a light layer or full glam, it works beautifully. It blends so easily, no streaks, no patches, and the texture. It's a soft matte, so you get that shine-free finish without your skin looking dry or flat. Perfect for oily to combination skin. Need fuller brows in 5 seconds. This Essence Thick and Wow Brow Mascara is magic. Just brushing it through my brows, and look at that. Instantly thicker, tinted, and lifted. It grips every hair and fills in sparse areas without looking fake. This e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette is so underrated. Let me show you how I get snatched in seconds. I'm using the shades to contour my cheekbones, jawline, and forehead. The formula is super creamy and blends like a dream. No patchiness, no fuss. Then I blend everything out with a damp sponge. It melts right into the skin. If you're just learning to contour, this is the perfect beginner palette. Look at the difference, sculpted, lifted, but still soft and natural. This palette is definitely a must-have. Liquid blush is the secret to that dewy, fresh face look. Here's how to apply it perfectly. I'm applying 2 small dots on the high points of my cheeks, not too close to the nose, and a little upward for that lifted effect. I'm blending it out with a brush. You can also use fingers. Tap, don't drag. It melts right into the skin and keeps that natural glow. Look how fresh and healthy that looks. Liquid blush is a game changer. This e.l.f. Camo Concealer is serious coverage. Here's how to apply it without creasing. In using shade Beige, I'm applying a small amount under the eyes, around the nose, and on any blemishes. This concealer is full coverage, so a little goes a long way. Let it sit for 10 to 15 seconds. This gives more coverage. Then tap it out with a damp sponge for a smooth, airbrushed finish. Set it right away with a light loose powder, especially under the eyes, to prevent creasing and keep it in place all day. Look at that, bright, smooth, and no creases. Want your blush to last all day? Here's why I always layer powder blush over liquid. I go in with a matching powder blush and lightly tap it on top. This sets the liquid and locks in the color. No fading, no patchiness. Start with a neutral brown in the crease. This helps everything blend smoothly. Use windshield wiper motions to keep it soft and diffused. Now apply black pencil on your eyelid for a nice base. And now blend it well with the help of brush. Now pack a black or deep charcoal shadow on the lid, keeping it close to the lash line. Blend the edges into your crease shade. The secret to smoky is blend, blend, blend. Don't forget the lower lash line. Smudge that same dark shadow underneath and connect it to the outer corner. That's what gives the eye that lifted, elongated look. Apply black pencil in your waterline to complete the smoky eye look. Apply mascara and false lash. Now the final touch, the lips. I'm going with a nude lipstick today. Lining first for shape, then filling in. You can also go for a plum, berry, or burgundy depending on your vibe. Finish with gloss if you want that extra shine. Want your makeup to last all day without melting? Setting spray is your best friend. I am using Beauty setting spray. And here's the final look, full glam, bold, flawless, and ready for any party. Let me know what you think in the comments and tell me where you'd wear this look. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more glam tutorials. See you in the next one.